Hey guys, what's up here? Isaiah from the Minecraft, and welcome to another video. For today, I'm in my house, and we're about to unbox this Spider-Man thing I had. I just found it today. So, you see this? You see this? This is the Spider-Man figure. Comes with it. I'm gonna show you what it is. I'm not even gonna show you. That it's a Spider-Man Spider Racer. So we're gonna be unboxing this today, guys. We're gonna be unboxing. So I think that will get done. Alright, I'm back, guys, and I got the racer out, and now you'll see what it is. So now, we're gonna take it somewhere, pull it somewhere.
I wasn't there, but from what she told me, that's stupid. Period. But she, alright,
Remove closer, can't sleep. Three, two, one, go! It went that. It went this far, guys. It went this far. I have to have internet to make this video, guys. So when I have time on Friday, when I get to my grandpa's, or anytime I get to my grandpa's, I will put this video up. Alright? I will put this video up. And this video might be a little short because all I am is unboxing this amazing Spider-Man toy. And it's like a Spider-Man racer. So if I had like another car with Venom, with his arch enemy, maybe Venom in it, or Carnage, I would do a race to see who gets the farthest, or who can slide across the floor guys. But guys, I hope you like this video. Leave a link down below and a comment down below if you want me to do more unboxing videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.